Have you ever wondered about the secret life of a donut? What really happens before that sweet treat lands in your hands, warm and fresh? Before it lands in that little white bag, it goes on a journey. A journey that's far more fascinating than you might expect. This isn't just about flour and sugar. It's a tale of science, engineering, and a little bit of magic. Food scientists and engineers work together, perfecting recipes and processes to ensure every donut is just right. We're talking about transforming simple ingredients into that golden brown, sweet, and irresistible circle of joy. It's a transformation that happens in mere minutes but is the result of years of innovation. Behind every donut is a complex, fascinating process, especially when you're making millions. Each step is carefully orchestrated to keep up with the massive demand. Imagine a world of giant mixers, endless conveyor belts, and waterfalls of glaze. It's a place where machines and people work in perfect harmony. We're going inside a mega donut factory, where the air is thick with the scent of baking and frying. The atmosphere is electric, filled with anticipation and the hum of machinery. Forget the image of a lone baker. This is industrial scale, a city dedicated to donuts. Dozens of people, hundreds of machines, all focused on one goal: donut perfection. Every step is meticulously planned, executed with precision and designed for consistency. Quality control is everywhere, ensuring not a single donut is out of place. From silos of flour to robotic arms packing boxes, it's a symphony of machinery and human oversight. Every ingredient is tracked, every box is counted, every donut must look, feel, and taste exactly the same. Consistency is king, and nothing is left to chance. How? Through a series of carefully controlled stages, each a critical chapter in the donut story. From mixing to frying, glazing to packing, every moment matters. We'll walk through the process from raw ingredients to the finished product sealed for delivery. It's a journey that spans hours, but creates memories that last a lifetime. Making the perfect donut on a massive scale is both an art and a science. It takes creativity, precision, and a passion for perfection. Grab a coffee, and maybe a donut, and get ready. You're about to see what goes into every bite. By the end, you'll never look at a glazed or sprinkled masterpiece the same way again. Let's get started on this delicious adventure. Every great donut starts with great ingredients. The journey to a perfect donut begins long before the dough is mixed or the glaze is poured. It all starts with sourcing the finest raw materials, chosen for their quality and consistency. But imagine this process on a mega factory scale, where the stakes are higher and the quantities are staggering. Colossal silos, stories high, hold tons of specially milled flour. This flour isn't just any flour. It's crafted with a precise protein content, ensuring every donut has the perfect texture and structure, batch after batch. Massive trucks deliver the flour, and advanced pneumatic systems whisk it away into storage towers, keeping it dry, uncontaminated, and always ready for production. Sugar arrives in bulk, granulated for the dough, powdered for the glaze, and browned for specialty flavors. Each type is stored in its own climate-controlled bin, protected from moisture and pests, ensuring freshness and purity. Other essentials like yeast, salt, milk powder, and fats each have their own carefully monitored storage areas. These ingredients are kept under strict conditions to maintain their potency and quality. Consistency is key. Temperature and humidity are tightly controlled throughout the facility. Even the slightest variation can affect the final product, so every detail is monitored. Even water is filtered and temperature adjusted, ensuring the yeast performs perfectly and the dough rises just right every time. Eggs, if used, come in liquid form, pasteurized and stored in refrigerated totes. This allows for precise, safe, and efficient dispensing, crucial for large-scale production. Think of this as a giant automated pantry, where every item is preserved, measured, and dispensed by computers. Automation ensures accuracy and reduces waste. A sophisticated inventory system tracks every pound and gallon, automatically reordering supplies as needed. This digital oversight prevents shortages and keeps everything running smoothly. This ensures the production line never stops for missing ingredients. Every donut depends on this seamless flow of materials. Behind-the-scenes logistics are the unsung hero of the donut factory, orchestrating the movement of ingredients with military precision. Without this level of organization, the whole operation would grind to a halt. A single missing ingredient could stop production for hours, costing thousands. It's this foundation of careful sourcing and storage that allows the factory to produce millions of perfect donuts every day, each one identical in taste and texture. Now let's see what happens when these meticulously sourced and stored ingredients finally come together to create the world's favorite treat. With all the ingredients carefully measured and ready, it's time to begin the process of making the dough. This isn't just any dough, but a batch large enough to feed a small army. In a modern bakery, this step is all about scale and precision. Enter the industrial spiral mixer, a stainless steel giant that dominates the production floor. This machine is capable of mixing over 1,000 pounds of dough in a single batch, ensuring that every donut starts with the same perfect base. Computer-controlled systems take over, releasing exact amounts of flour, sugar, and other dry goods into the mixer. Then precisely heated liquids are added, ensuring the temperature is just right for the yeast to thrive. The mixing process is a carefully choreographed dance, slow at first to gently hydrate the flour, then gradually increasing in speed to develop the gluten network. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. As the dough mixes, the gluten network forms, trapping gases released by the yeast. This is what gives donuts their airy structure and signature chewy texture, setting them apart from other baked goods. Mixing duration and speed are critical. Overmix and the dough becomes tough and dense, undermix and it's weak and crumbly. Skilled operators monitor every second, making adjustments as needed. Advanced sensors track the dough's temperature and consistency in real time. Some mixers even use chilled jackets to keep the dough cool, preventing overheating and ensuring the yeast remains active but not overworked. Once the dough reaches the ideal smoothness, elasticity, and temperature, the massive bowl tilts, and the fresh dough slides out onto a conveyor belt, ready for the next stage. Each batch produces thousands of donuts, and as soon as one is finished, the system automatically cleans and resets the mixer, preparing for the next round without missing a beat. It's a relentless, almost hypnotic cycle of dough creation, running day and night to keep up with demand. The sheer scale and precision of this operation are truly astonishing, with every detail fine-tuned for efficiency and quality. Every step is automated for consistency, from ingredient measurement to mixing and even cleaning, ensuring that every batch is identical. Now, the dough is allowed to rest, giving the gluten time to relax and the flavors to develop. It's finally ready for its transformation into the iconic donut shape. Let's see how that happens. On to shaping, the next step in the journey from raw ingredients to delicious donuts. Our mountain of dough is ready to become donuts. The dough is fed into a sheeter, which flattens it into a uniform sheet. A rotating cutter stamps out perfect rings and donut holes, hundreds at a time. Uniformity ensures every donut fries evenly. Scrap dough is collected and blended back in with fresh dough, minimizing waste. Optical sensors spot imperfect shapes, which are removed by air jets or robotic arms. Only the most perfect rings continue on. The raw donuts, now delicate and pale, are spaced out on the conveyor. They're ready for the next crucial step: proofing. Let's see how they get their signature fluffiness. The shaped donuts now enter the proofer, a warm, humid chamber designed for yeast to work its magic. Here, yeast feasts on sugars, releasing carbon dioxide that inflates the dough. This creates the light, airy texture we love. Proofing is a delicate balance. Too little and donuts are dense, too much and they collapse. Conveyor belts move donuts through the proofer at a precise speed, ensuring uniform rise. Operators monitor temperature and humidity constantly. After 20-40 minutes, the donuts emerge larger, puffier, and ready for frying. The transition from proofer to fryer must be quick to preserve their delicate structure. Now it's time for the most dramatic transformation: frying. The next step gives donuts their golden color and crispy exterior. Let's dive into the fryer. The trial by Hot Oil awaits. The proofed donuts are gently dropped into a massive, continuous fryer, a river of hot oil at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The intense heat creates a crispy crust and prevents the donuts from absorbing excess oil. Inside, trapped gases expand, giving the donut its final puff and signature white ring. Halfway through, automated arms flip each donut for even frying. The entire process takes about 90 seconds to 2 minutes. At the end, a wire mesh conveyor lifts the golden donuts out, letting excess oil drip away. The oil is filtered and replenished constantly for quality. Our donuts are now cooked, but not quite finished. The best part, glazing and toppings, is next. Hot from the fryer, donuts head straight for the glaze waterfall, a curtain of warm, liquid sugar. The glaze melts and sets into a crackly shell, the hallmark of a classic donut. Not all donuts get glazed, some are diverted for chocolate, strawberry, or other frostings. Sprinklers shower them with toppings like sprinkles, nuts, or coconut. Filled donuts are injected with cream or jelly by precision machines. Robotic arms can drizzle intricate patterns for specialty designs. Every topping is applied with speed and uniformity. Decorated donuts travel along a cooling conveyor, allowing glazes and frostings to set. Cooling is crucial. Packaging warm donuts would make them soggy. The transformation from raw dough to finished pastry is complete. The air is thick with the scent of sugar and chocolate. Now, it's time for quality control. Let's see how perfection is guaranteed. Quality control is woven into every step of the process. Ingredients are tested in labs before use. High-speed cameras and sensors scan donuts for size, shape, and color. Any donut that doesn't meet standards is automatically removed. Human inspectors taste and check texture, glaze, and flavor. Metal detectors scan packaged donuts for safety. Random boxes are weighed and checked for accuracy. This relentless attention to detail ensures every donut is safe, delicious, and perfect. The final step is packaging, an automated process where machines gently place donuts into boxes or wrappers. Boxes are sealed, stacked into shipping cartons, and loaded onto pallets by robots. Pallets move to staging areas, ready for distribution. Trucks whisk fresh donuts to stores within hours of production. The logistics are timed for peak freshness. As you sleep, this city of donuts works through the night, producing millions. The process ensures every donut, everywhere, is just as good as the last. Next time you enjoy a donut, remember its incredible journey. It's more than a treat, it's a marvel of modern food engineering. From silo to box, it's a story of transformation. And it all ends with that perfect, delicious bite.